Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a journey through Rome, highlighting 10 stunning locations that showcase the beauty and history of this remarkable city. From ancient ruins to iconic landmarks, Rome is a treasure trove of architectural wonders, rich history, and vibrant culture. Did you know that Rome is home to over 2,500 years of history and some of the world's most breathtaking sights? With so many attractions in Rome, it can be overwhelming to decide which places are truly worth your time. We'll help you navigate this challenge by presenting the top 10 must-see spots. Let's uncover 10 incredible places you absolutely must visit. I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of my top 10 must-see spots in Rome. And trust me, you won't want to miss these hidden gems. In this video, we'll delve into the heart of Rome, exploring the city's most incredible attractions. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply a traveler looking for a unique experience, Rome has something for everyone. Rome, the Eternal City, has been captivating visitors for centuries, and for good reason. Its mesmerizing scenery, mouth-watering cuisine, and world-class museums make it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to explore the best of Europe. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the wonders of Rome like never before. With so many attractions in Rome, it can be overwhelming to decide which places are truly worth your time. After all, you want to make the most of your trip and experience the best this incredible city has to offer. That's why we've curated a list of the top 10 must-see spots in Rome, carefully selecting the most impressive, awe-inspiring, and unforgettable destinations. From the iconic Trevi Fountain to the magnificent Colosseum, each location on our list has been handpicked to give you an unforgettable Roman experience. So let's dive right in and start our journey through Rome's most incredible attractions. Coming in at number 10 is the beautiful Piazza Navona, a charming square with a rich history and stunning architecture. Next up is the Pantheon, one of the best preserved ancient buildings in Rome and a testament to the city's incredible engineering skills. At number 8, we have the Castel Sant'Angelo, a fortress with a fascinating past that's steeped in history and intrigue. The 7th spot on our list is the Campo dei Fiori, a bustling market square that's perfect for foodies and shoppers alike. The 6th must-see attraction is the stunning St. Peter's Basilica, the largest Christian church in the world and a marvel of Renaissance architecture. At number 5, we have the Galleria Borghese, a world-class museum housing an impressive collection of Renaissance and Baroque art. The 4th spot on our list is the magnificent Villa Borghese, a beautiful park with a stunning lake, walking trails, and plenty of picnic spots. Coming in at number 3 is the iconic Spanish Steps, one of Rome's most famous landmarks and a great spot for people watching. The 2nd must-see attraction is the incredible Roman Forum, a sprawling archaeological site that's steeped in history and drama. We'll explore each location in detail, providing fascinating insights, historical context, and tips for making the most of your visit to these incredible sites. From the intricate details of ancient architecture to the vibrant atmosphere of Rome's bustling streets, every location on our list has been carefully selected to give you an unforgettable Roman experience. So get ready to be amazed by the grandeur, beauty, and history of Rome's most incredible attractions. As we explore each location, you'll discover the unique charm and character of Rome, a city that's steeped in history, yet vibrant and alive with modern energy. From hidden gems to iconic landmarks, every location on our list has been handpicked to give you the ultimate Roman experience. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Rome has something for everyone, and we're excited to share our top 10 must-see spots with you. as we reveal our #1 must-visit location. Prepare to be amazed by its grandeur and the impact it has on the Roman landscape and culture. Drumroll, please. And the #1 must-see attraction in Rome is the incredible Colosseum, an iconic symbol of the city's rich history and engineering prowess. To wrap up, we've journeyed through 10 of Rome's most incredible destinations, each offering a unique glimpse into the city's rich history and vibrant culture. From ancient ruins to iconic landmarks, Rome is a city that's steeped in history, yet vibrant and alive with modern energy. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we can't wait to hear about your favorite Roman attractions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other travel guides and share your thoughts in the comments below. What place are you most excited to visit in Rome?